Platinum Choice is never a disappointment.
Let me tell you, I was really looking at Platinum Choice, the bottom of that card.
Oh my God, bro.
I know. Wait up, let's see what here we got here.
There you go. Look, dang.
Oh,
Platinum
yeah.
Choice right there.
Coño.
So the car is not what I would build.
But after they remade the car, because this car was being built for years out of Texas.
Yeah, but the remake stayed true to the original.
Well, you know what? I looked at pictures of the original paint job. It's different. It's in the same colors and style.
No, it's very similar though.
No, I don't know, bro.
It's very similar. So
the patterns have changed.
No, I don't think so.
Yes. All right. I was talking about this the other day with Alberto Herrera because Alberto did all the airbrushing on this car.
I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. That's besides the point.
Okay.
The car itself, I wouldn't say it's my style, but one thing I can say,
it's built really
very,
well.
very well.
Yeah.
The finish is beautiful on the car. And the quality of the undercarriage of that car, like the belly and the frame, it's incredible. It's on another level.
So that one...
And it looks better in person. I know a lot of people criticize the colorful paint job in pictures.
No, but in person...
The car looks way better in person. Like, that's a car that you go to a show just to see that car. The car is absolutely incredible.
That one Lowrider of the Year 3 years in a row.
Yeah, that's 3-time reigning champion.
Was that there?
Yeah.
It was in Vegas. Yeah, right now, he just won his third year.
His third year.
That was there last year, too?
Yeah, in that car. And then that car, it's
the car is incredible.
It's pinstriped by one of our sponsored artists, Jonathan McCullough, pinstriped that car. Mm-hmm. And then Alberto Herrera, that's another sponsored artist that uses all their products and paint, did all the airbrushing.
Look at that undercarriage.
Yeah. No, the car is just gorgeous, bro.
Beautiful. Some people say overdone. Maybe I can agree with it to a certain point, but the car is very nice. And when you're competing for that type of award, it needs to be overdone.
You know what's good about this car, though? It's still drivable, though.
It looks like a driving car.
It's if you think about it, it doesn't have any, like, it's still the engine has a regular gas tank.
Close it up, it looks like a stock 63 with a crazy paint job.
And that was first place. There should be another one. Second place was the red.
Second place was at Lost in Paradise.
That's another.
Los Angeles Car Club.
It's a red Impala with all the airbrushing on it, man.
Convertible. It's like a tropical theme, like rainforest theme.
Oh, right there. Yeah, that's it. That was, bro, you know what's crazy, Top G? All those airbrush murals I've had on my phone for the last 4 years, last 3 years. Alberto Herrera did all the airbrush. Yeah, that's all our colors. We sent him colors a long time ago, and he's like, "Hey, I'm working on a special project with all these colorful murals and stuff like that. Don't share it. Don't share it." And I asked him, like, a couple of years later, he's like, "Hey, when is this car going to come out?" And the car was here at the show. But you said it came out last year, right?
To sneeze. Huh?
You said the car came out last year?
I don't think the car came out last year. So I went to a show years ago.
Okay.
Before the murals were done.
Oh, I'm seeing, but now this version.
I saw the car in Arizona.
But this version of the car, though.
No, this version with the airbrushing I had never seen before.
I think it just came out then.
Oh, what, for this show?
Well, I think it couldn't have just came out. It had to qualify one second place car of the year.
Correct, but this is the first time it's at Vegas. Yeah, that's Lowrider, second place Lowrider.
Oh, it's called Hidden Paradise.
Oh, Hidden Paradise.
I thought it was Lost in Paradise.
Dude, the airbrushing. If there should be some videos I sent you, Banjo, of the airbrushing like up close on that car. Or pictures of that, bro. The airbrushing on that car is
Alberto Herrera's.
No, he's on another level, and he's such a humble guy. You talk to him, and you know what's his hobby? Construction. That's what he and his family, like, you ask him, "Oh, what do you like to do?" "Oh, construction, build, milk."
I remember you showing me a video that I think he sent you, that he put like his pinky next to something else so detailed.
That was crazy.
And then he goes out and shows you how small it is.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
He is something else. But that car is gorgeous, bro. You know what's it's sad though? I kind of missed it. I really didn't catch it at the show. I don't know.
You didn't see it?
I left early, bro. I wasn't. Oh. I got caught up with some other stuff, and I ended up leaving early.
Hold on.
What do you got? Yeah, bro. I left the show around 1. We did
I think I saw that car we saw it on Friday though when we were walking around during the setup.
I must have not. I think I was so preoccupied. I walked right by and I missed it. I would have loved to see it in person.
There was also a lot of cars at the show, and there was a lot of really nice cars at the show. So if you're not taking your sweet time and really walking slow to look at every single car, it's easy to miss.
Yeah.
I see cars on videos and I'm like, where was that car? I didn't even see it.
And then we have the Life After Death car. That's won third place Lowrider year. So this year it was pretty cool. All 3 cars, Top G, first, second, and third. All
something to do with tropical.
All tropical glitz, yeah. We got to do a video for social media, for Instagram or YouTube, because look, that car was all tropical glitz paint, pearls, and everything.
That's another car. It's absolutely incredible.
It's built so nice, and you can just get up in the car and just drive it.
I love that.
It's like very timeless. That one was built by Chino, CNO Customs, and he painted it with all our products, and that's our SPI Clear. All the engravings done by the owner. The owner, Ernie, has an engraving shop and chrome shop. And
look how beautiful it looks, all closed up. It doesn't look like a crazy radical.
I haven't seen that car closed up.
What do you mean?
Looks stock. It looks.
Weren't you in Vegas when we?
Yeah, but it
was opened up.
Oh yeah, look at it right there with a gangster window.
Oh, and look, we have a YouTube video with an interview with Ernie and Chino.
Yeah. If you want to check that out, you can go on the YouTube and check it out.
Yeah.
It'll give you the whole story of how it became.
I love that car.
It looks like a whole different car.
I love the car. Look how sleek it looks like that.
Yeah.
That's dope. So what else we got going on, Manny can just randomly Banjo can go through the. Let's see here. But show was a great show. A lot of cars.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I didn't see a big ooze. Oh,
there you go. Pedal car of the year.
Pedal car of the year painted. This is the same owner. This is all our product and our candy. Top G.
Yeah.
It won Pedal Car of the Year. I didn't even know that was an award. That must be something.
That's new, yeah.
That's new.
That was never anything.
The owner of Mad Max 61, he's from Majestics. He did this pedal car for his...
Portland, I think?
Huh?
Portland chapter?
Yeah. He did this for his daughter. And this was look, that's the car in the back. It makes me realize that I'm never going to compete with my pedal car.
Not again?
You'll compete, just not there.
Not there, bro. Look at the quality and the amount of... Oh, you know who did the airbrushing on that too? Alberto Herrera.
No. Oh, yeah, he did.
Yeah, he did.
I was going to say, no way, bro.
Yeah. We were. I talked to the owner. He's a real nice guy. We were talking about his car.
I was going to say, because I remember seeing him tagged.
Oh, we got a Cadillac. Bro, it's a nice car, but man, so much work goes into these cars and money.
If you want to build it, if you want to compete at that level, you have to go all in or you can't do it, you know? You can't go into
He did the grill, working lights, the whole 9 yards.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Probably has AC before mine too.
It has more money than yours.
Yeah, sure. That's a fact, bro. It does. It was a dope show. You know what? I didn't see a big Uso present.